Simplifying radical expression. To start our discussion in simplifying radical expression, let's tackle first its part. Given n root of x where n is called the index, the radical sign and the x is called radicand. Simplify radical by reducing radicand. Example. Square root of 24. Since 24 is not a perfect square, therefore has no roots. To simplify, think factors where the product is 24, but think the two numbers or factors, one is a perfect square and the other is not. So the factors are 4 and 6, where 4 is a perfect square and 6 is not. You can also expand the expression in square root of 4 and square root of 6. Since 4 is a perfect square, the root is 2. While 6 has no roots, it will remain inside of the radical sign. So the simplified form of square root of 24 is 2 square root of 6. Another way in simplifying radical expression. Simplify by reducing the index of the radical. Example. 3x fourth root of x raised to 9. First let's expand or factor out the x raised to 9. Where in it respect to the fourth root. So we have x raised to 4. Multiply to x raised to 4, and x raised to 1. Wherein, when you add its exponent will result to 9. That is the way you will expand the x raised to 9. You can also simplify 3x fourth root of x raised to 4, multiply to fourth root of x raised to 4, and multiply to fourth root of x. So we have 3x, multiply to x, then multiply to x, and multiply to fourth root of x. Therefore the simplified form of 3x fourth root x raised to 9 is 3x cubed fourth root of x. Let's have the application of the two-way of simplifying radical expression. The given expression is square root of 12, x raised to 5, y raised to 3. Let's expand the expression with respect to square root. For 12, we have a factors of 4 and 3, for x raised to 5, it will expand to x multiply to x raised to 2, and multiply to x raised to 2, for y raised 3, it expand to y multiply to y raised to 2. You can also expand in this way. Square root of 4, square root of 3, square root of x, square root of x square, square root of x square, square root of y, and square root of y square. So we're now going to simplify. We have square root 4 is 2, square root of 3 is still square root 3, square root x is still square root x, for the square root x square is x, and same with other square root of x square. For square root of y is still square root of y, and for square root of y square will result to y. Let's arrange the expression to make more easy. Just arrange according to the type of term. Therefore, the simplified form is 2x square y square root of 3xy. Thank you for watching. For more videos on mathematics, please don't forget to subscribe.